Hey everybody, I just put together this little video about the AT Pro and some different gold, platinum, tungsten, 925 rings, just so you guys can get an idea of where the numbers come in on the AT Pro. I am running in Pro mode, zero discrimination, that's how I always hunt. And I went and weighed all the different rings. So I got a platinum, 14K, 10K, 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 14K, little earring. Then we get into the sterling, 925, 925, 925, 925, 925, and a little 925 stud and diamond earring. Then we get into, just for the heck of it, I set, this is a stainless steel ring, obviously junk, but I wanted to show the numbers that it gets. And if anybody's ever wondered about tungsten rings, I'll show you exactly what tungsten rings. I got two of them here, slightly different weights. There's a slightly heavier one and one that weighs a little bit less. And then obviously a nickel and a common pull tab. So I'm going to try to go ahead and film this without glare, and I'm going to do the best I can to try to get the numbers on the screen and swing with my left hand, which is not my dominant hand, so we'll see how this goes. So start out with the 9.21 grams of platinum. So 52, 53. We'll move right along here. Next one we'll go to is 5.98 grams of 14 karat gold. Also 52, 53. Next, got a camera adjust, 10.16 gram 10K gold glass ring. So that rings up. Next we have a 4.83 grams of 10 karat gold ring. This is where it starts getting a little different, interesting. $59.60. Then we got a 2.73 grams of 10K white gold. Numbers are definitely lower. Next we got 1.25 grams of 10K yellow gold. Jump around a little bit. And we got 1.88 grams of 10K gold, a little kid's ring. Next we got a little 0.30 grams 14K gold earring. Now this is very interesting, guys. When we talk about not digging anything under 39, you might want to reconsider that. $38.39, and that's 14K. Well, that was the gold. Now we'll step up to some 925. Got a 4.35 gram 925 ring. Next, a 5.08 gram 925. This one comes in quite a few points higher than the previous ring. Next, we got us a 1.97 grams 925 little ring. Pretty steady at 8. And then a little braided 925 coming in at 1.03 grams. Next we have a tiny kids ring coming in at 1.41 grams. And here we have a 1.74 gram 925 earring. Now the way that it's sitting, it's actually sitting upside down with the post straight up. I'll show you what kind of numbers you get doing it that way. $69.70. But when I go and I turn the ring on the side, which if it possibly was sitting, you know, in the soil or in the sand like that, it definitely changes. I mean, the numbers are all over the place by just changing the angle. Now, just for informational purposes, in case anybody ever want to know, here's an 11.35 gram stainless steel, which is basically junk, big men's ring. Let's see what kind of numbers the AT Pro. Look at that. 51, 52, just like a gold ring. I will go to 18.23 grams tungsten, another junk ring. New age metal, what am I going to call it? Junk. See what the AT Pro reads. About a 68, 69. And next we got a 13.98 gram tungsten junk ring. Coming in at 62. And then just for informational and comparison purposes, there's a common nickel. 52, 53. And our mortal enemy to metal detecting, a common pull tab broken off. And now in the sand and dirt, numbers can be a little bit lower on these, but as you can see through that test of all these different rings, basically, you know, gold, nice hefty gold rings fall 52 range, same as a pull tab can be. Even the tungsten, well, the stainless steel fell right at 52 range. The tungsten is in the 60s. So basically, but then we got all the way back to this little run right here is proof right there. It's a 14K gold earring. And do that one again. Look at them numbers. 38, 39. So might want to think about them numbers, because typically people say don't dig anything under 40, everything under 39, 40's junk. Not always. A 14K little gold earring coming in real low. Well, thanks for watching the video. Like I said, hopefully this just a little information purposes for people out there that might have wondered, you know, how the AT Pro hits different rings of different sizes. And so thanks for watching.